sobre. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone's doing amazing. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Guys, I just got here in the city. Today is going to be a long day. I actually just had my dental appointment at Amore Dental Clinic, and right now I am heading to pick up sis because we are gonna be getting groceries. Yes, we're gonna do a lot of shopping for our countryside Christmas party, which will be taking place tomorrow. We are gonna be doing grocery today, a bit of shopping in Unitop, and then we're gonna do some packing again. We're gonna get rice. You guys know how it is. This has been our annual thing to do. I've actually ordered conching sliced bread and they just delivered it at sis office, so we're gonna be picking that one up. So we have a total of around 50 bundle of joy for 50 families in the countryside. Guys, you know what? The families in the countryside is growing every year. So before it was like 30, then 40, and now we are at 50 families, which is very nice. The more the fun it is, right? So let me just go here. We're gonna turn, and then I've also ordered buwad or dried fish. So it has been delivered at Vingel's apartment, so we're gonna get that as well. And we're gonna go to Colon. That's where we're gonna get groceries, in Colonnade. Hello, we are here in Vingel's house, apartment, and we are getting the buwad. We got 7 kilos, half a crate of buwad or dried fish. We are going to segregate that for 50 families. So sis is there. I think Vingo's sleeping now. By the way, my CTS is getting a lot better. I actually took vitamin B1, B6, B12, neurobion. So as soon as I took this one yesterday, it felt a bit better. It's not throbbing as much. So this one really helps with the nerves. Is she sleeping? They really covered it. I was gonna say to put it in the bag because you know buwad has a really strong smell. Thank you. Daghan din kayo. Hello everybody, update. I'm so haggard now. We just finished getting groceries in Colonnade. So we rented a jeepney to bring everything to the countryside. And now we are transferring the sliced bread from this car going to the jeepney. The jeepney is there. MC is there helping us. Sige, go. There. So we have 50 loaves of sliced bread. There. Maragda pa dito sa tubangan. And MC and I are gonna get a bike. So sis will be with the jeepney, guys. These are everything. Oh, kuato pa. Look. The jeepney is almost full. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. So everyone, we are finally back here at home, and we have here all of the groceries that we got today. I'm so tired. The traffic in Cebu is insane. It's unbearable. There was so many people in Colonnade, but we made it. So let me show you what we have here in the house. So first, we have 4 sacks of rice. These are all 50 kilos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Washington, excellent eating quality. And then we have here all of the stuff. We're gonna unpack everything first so I can show you what we got. We have 50 loaves of bread from Conching. We have here juice, and yeah, a lot of stuff. So the gang are here. They're so ready. They're sleepy now. They're so ready to help repack for the 50 families that we will be giving tomorrow. So it's happening tomorrow, guys. And yeah, let's go ahead and pack everything so it's ready.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Alright guys, so the gang have started packing, and there they are. They're now busy packing. Sis is packing the rice, MC is there, Mommy and Mommy LV are packing the buwan or dried fish. So anyway, I have here something that I'm going to show you. This is going to be our tarpaulin for the Christmas party. This is being done last minute. I had to ask bro actually last night about making this. You know what? Bro is the best. Like, I know he's very busy with work and all the events he had to attend to, but he made time to be able to make this. Shout out to bro Larry Benson. Thank you so much. So this is the design of our tarpaulin, guys. It's actually pretty big. So I asked for 5 to 6 feet, and this is how it looks. Ta-da! Look at this. Doy, can you help me show everybody our tarpaulin? Go to the other side. Okay. Let's see. Why do I... Ta-da! Can you see? Join us for a Merry Christmas party. Love, meljeansolon. Can you see the bottom? Ta-da! That's me in there. I'm Santa, and then we have their Christmas tree, and bro just did a lot of decors everywhere. It's very simple, but it's actually very nice. It's elegant, and it's 5 by 6 feet, so it's very big. In the camera, it doesn't look like it's big, but it's actually pretty big. See? That's your height, right? 5 feet. Yeah, 5 more. And 5 and 6, yeah. It's nice, isn't it? What do you guys think? So yeah, we're gonna be using this tomorrow. Finally, we have a backdrop for our Christmas party. We've been doing this countryside Christmas party for how many years now? And this is the only time that I created this tarpaulin. So it's very good. Alright, it's cold. So now we are going to pack 1 bundle of joy. We're gonna start here. No, we're gonna start here in the rice. So we have here 4 kilos of rice. Okay, the rice is actually nice. Look, it's white, it's long grain, it's pretty good. My uncle is very loud because he's already drunk. Yeah. Okay, So next, we have here noodles and pancit canton. We have 2 of these. And then we go here. We have coffee, 2 coffee. Here we have bihon or pancit. We're gonna put that. And then next, we go here. Say hi to the vlog. Ina, hi.
Hi, hello you. Mayong araw at gabi.
Drunk already. So we have here
Hi, Ruby.
soy sauce and vinegar.
You.
And then we have salt. We're gonna put this. And then we go here. Here, wait a second. Here we have 2 beef loaf. So this is our canned goods, beef loaf.
Very good.
And then, what else? Oh, we also have buwad. Give me buwad, please. So we have here buwad. Buwad is life. We put that there. Lastly, we have 1 loaf of bread. So, this is our bundle of joy for Christmas for everybody, per family, per household here in our neighborhood, guys. It's actually pretty heavy, like especially with the rice. Before we only gave like 3 kilos, I think. So now it's 4 kilos. At least it's like going up, not going down. So it's good, yeah? And we also have a lot of food, biscuits. We have candies for the kids over here. And we're gonna pack that as well. So we could give it to everyone.
Thank you, Ruby.
Thank you, Ruby.
Inadinobre.
Jin dobre.
Salamat sa Jun Ruby.
Salamat sa Jin dobre.
Importante. Masaya.
Inag see you soon.
Thank you.
I love you po.
I love you so. Sorry ha. Bye-bye.
Okay guys, so we have finished repacking everything. You guys can see it's right here. Everything is occupying the living area. So that's 50 bundles of joy for 50 families here in the countryside. And by the way, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to our generous subscribers who have sent or shared their blessings. So first we have Beat Mueller. He sent through super thanks. Thank you so much. We also have Anthony H. He sent through PayPal. Jinkuya Barzo. Thank you very much. And then lastly, we have Marita B. She sent for the kids. So we have loot bags for the kids. And then spaghetti for tomorrow. And we also have one gallon or 5 gallons of ice cream for tomorrow as well. So yeah, thank you so much for sharing your blessings from the bottom of my heart, and from the people here in the countryside. I know they're gonna be very, very happy for the bundles of joy tomorrow. So here it is. It's actually quite a lot. As you guys can see, I'm so happy of the combination that we have put in our bundles of joy. Also, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what we got in Kaking. Those are just stuff for the raffle. So it will be fun tomorrow. And then here in front of me, you guys can see they are now repacking the loot bags for the kids. So these are just biscuits, candies, Cheeria, some snacks, of course, and lollipops and all that. It is currently 10:05 p.m. and yeah, my uncle is now sleeping. Look at him. Ay. He's listening. Okay, there they are, guys. So many. Look at this. The candies, chocolates, we have lollipop, a lot of sweets. Okay, here are the stuff that we got for the raffle. So pretty much everybody who joined our exchange gift or Manito Manita will be able to have one raffle ticket. So if we will be able to call their name, or if I will be picking their name, so they're gonna be winning any of these prizes. Okay, so first, called picture in Bisaya. And then we have here the piggy bank. We have a pink one, and we have the blue color. We have a green one. Here we have this food container. We have another one here. This I will be using for the exchange gift. This is gonna be mine. Whoever will be able to pick my name for the exchange gift will be getting this. And we have here a lot of kabo. Guys, look. Water scooper, we have that. We have here this one as well, caldero or a pot. A lot of hangers. Pretty much everything is for the house. We have here pail as well. Look, pail for water. We have more hanger here, orange hangers for fun. Ah, we actually have two. We also have umbrella. This one, disposable cup. We're gonna be using this for the ice cream tomorrow because I know that it's not gonna be only kids that would want to have ice cream, especially tomorrow. I think we have a really good weather. It's gonna be hot, so everybody deserves ice cream. So I decided to get these for the adults, the moms, the dads, and everybody.